Hello friends, welcome to this video on date and time functions in PHP. Date and time are very important operations used in PHP. These functions depends upon the locale settings of the server. Date and time values are formatted in such a manner that are commonly referred to as timestamps. A timestamp is a numeric representation of a date and time. So here is the other important concept that is known as Unix timestamp. Unix timestamp is a way to track the time as a running total of seconds. So whenever we refer to Unix timestamp, it means that this is the running total of the seconds from January 1st, 1970 to the current time or any specified date and time. So the first method that we are going to discuss today is checkdate. Checkdate method is used to validate whether a date is valid or not. So we pass month, day and the year to the checkdate method and it will return us either true or false. If we pass April 31st, 2005 to this method, so it will return us false because there is no 31st of April. And if we provide 29th of February with the year 2004, it should return us true because 2004 is a leap year. So checkdate method will also consider the leap years as well. Create a file index.php inside date-time directory in WAM. The date and time method has returned true for 28th of April. The next important method that we are going to look is date. We can provide a string format inside date method. Over here, Y represents the current year, M for month, and D for today's date. So let us run this script and see the output. Let us explore some other date functions format parameters. If we pass capital or lower letter A, it will be used to display AM or PM. Small d, as we have seen previously, will display the day of the month as a number. The capital D displays three-letter text representation of the day. Capital F will represent the full name of the month. Small h represents the 12-hour format of hour. The capital H will display a 24 hours format, and I is used to display minutes. The lower letter M represents the month. The capital letter M displays the three-letter text of a month. The capital letter U is used to get Unix timestamp, and as we have seen previously, the letter Y in caps displays the year as a 4 digits number. Working with time. The date function can also produce time-related values. So if we pass h, I, and s as an argument inside the date method, it will display current time. And if we pass letter A with the time as well, it will display AM or PM with the time. Some of the other important methods are getDate, getTime of the day, and mkTime. The time function is very useful for retrieving the current Unix timestamp. setlocale, strftime, and getLastMode are also used. If you want to read more details about PHP date and time related functions, you can visit the PHP manual and read details about date and time libraries. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.